Hi everybody. Today I'm making a new Lego with my daddy. This white brand new police helicopter Lego. And it's like cute, see?
Okay, let's dive into it, Cannon.
Yeah. And my dad what?
It's 212 pieces.
It's 212 pieces, everybody. And this is
Lego set 60243.
and I watch my husband into 102.
Okay, so we have packet 1, 2, 3,
4,
and then the
5.
helicopter roof. And we got some stickers too, right?
Yeah.
For the helicopter.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get at it, Cannon. Number 1. Okay, first we're gonna build the motorcycle guy.
Yeah. But that motorcycle guy is a bad guy.
He is a bad guy, but he's got to be built.
Yeah. If we want him to
Okay.
be of the bad guy team.
Right, here you can build the bad guy first. Put his legs and stuff on.
I'm good at making bad guys.
You're good at making everything.
Why did he have like that?
Here's his helmet. And then he's got some handcuffs around here somewhere, right here. Put your handcuffs on.
Sound like a crazy motorcycle guy.
Yeah.
So he's crazy. This is a crazy motorcycle.
You want some help?
Yep. Oh, there is some.
There you go. Now you can show everybody your guy. You can sit up.
No, this guy is a money guy.
Yeah. Oh, and there's another guy too. So we have a police officer and a bad guy. Where's the orange legs, right? Or red legs? Here, wait a minute. Daddy messed that up.
Yep. Daddy messed that up.
Yeah.
Dumb Daddy.
Okay, now you can put your helmet on this guy.
No, he needs handcuffs on him too. This guy is a bad guy.
He is. Actually, that helmet goes on the police guy.
Yeah.
And this is the head for that guy. I didn't know we had 2 guys. So you can put the head on him. Doink. And he has a cowboy hat. Can you find the cowboy hat? Somewhere around here.
No cowboy hats.
Yeah, there's a cowboy hat around here somewhere.
Huh.
Right here.
No, this is
See, there you go.
not be bogey hat on
A
him.
helmet on, yeah.
Oh, I mean the helmet on.
Okay, show everybody your 2 guys. Stand them up.
You under a bus. You coming with me. Kick you in jail.
Okay, now we start building.
And here's my 2 guys.
We're gonna start building the ATV first,
Bad
okay?
guy and the police are here for everybody.
All right.
Are you happy? I got 2 guys.
Yes.
Oh, I got so much guys
Okay.
in this one. I
All right.
forgot about that.
I'll bring you up a bit. There you
I
go.
got only 2 guys.
Okay, here we
Oh,
go.
man,
First
I
piece.
got lots of guys. I will
Okay,
walk.
look, Cannon.
I
Look,
walk.
see this black piece here? Oh, we're gonna do the wheels last. Okay, so you get the black piece, this one. This one,
I know that. What do they?
right here. Just like that, yeah. Okay, and then this gray piece goes on the other side. Good. And then another one of these goes on the end. Good. And then yellow on top of that. And it goes on the back, right on the back, right here.
Like you?
Yeah,
Like this?
just like that.
like
Yeah, and then the white piece goes on the other end.
this and
Let's see what you got going on here. Can Daddy see? Oh, see here. This has to come to here. There you go. Now the white piece goes.
I told you you were wrong.
Okay, now these guys here go on each end.
You?
No, look. Look at the picture. So the fins all have to, yeah. Now they match up. Perfect. Good job, Cannon. Now the blue, this, turn it. Yeah, perfect. Push. Good. Okay, now the blue, this guy. And it goes,
On the back?
yeah. Good. Okay, now this black one.
Okay, we'll find it.
That goes,
Up here?
no, right here. On this one here. Yeah, good job. All right, now the police. Oh, we gotta put a sticker on there.
Yeah.
Number
Yeah.
10? Yeah.
Yeah, Pauli. Did I say that old? Only stops. Pauli. Wait, did I say that old? Holy stops. My dad say that old. And sometimes I say that
Okay,
old.
so that goes in on here.
Oh, this. Oh, I
No,
might.
bring it up. There you go. Okay, now here's the. This goes right on the front.
This one is.
That's the handlebars for the ATV.
Yeah, and
And then he
this.
has a light that goes on the back blue one. Yep.
Why do he
And
got?
now the yellow goes on the front.
Well, why
front
do
bumper.
he need
Front bumper.
a
Now you
light
can do
on
wheels.
the back?
Now you can do the wheels.
Oh, this one. Why doing it fun? I putting on the How did this
You can
feel
push
to
them. You can just keep them on there and then push them in.
keep them on and then
Push it in. There you go. You can do that one too.
keep it on and then push it on that.
Push it with your thumb. There, good. Now you can put your wheels on. And then we'll move on to the bike.
Oh. The bike is for the bad guy and this ATV for the police. I say, well, and I never know it has so much guy.
Good job. Okay, now the bike. So you have this, the frame, yeah, and then the red. Wait, you got to put something else on first. These first, Kenan. They go on each side. On the bottom one and the bottom one.
The bottom one and hungry one. Why do you need these?
And then you can put the frame on. There you go. Push it. It's good. All right, now the wheels.
What one, Bob? Too.
Here's your wheels.
These things is not taller than I thought.
Yeah, they just push into there. Good.
Wow, I like how they do that.
Yeah, me too. Okay.
Bottom and putting them on two sides, two sides.
Okay, now you have handlebars on the top.
Well, I like one. I do only one, two.
And then this guy goes on the
Back?
the front. That's your light.
Not what I like.
That's your light, yeah?
That.
Uh-oh, there he is.
Oh, I found it. Guys, do you always know I grab things? Oh, Why?
Let me put his hat on. Okay,
What?
he's good.
Why is this handcuffs on him right now?
Oh, that's okay. We got the bike built.
Are you trying to put the handcuffs of him?
That's okay. Put his hat on, and then we'll put them right by their. We can put them right on their things. We got the police on the ATV.
The policeman. Oh, okay, first I got.
Yeah, that hat keeps on falling off. Can I push it on?
Well, first I need to do this.
We need to straighten his hands.
Yeah, somehow. Oh, only socks. It does say only socks.
Do you want some help?
Help, I need help.
Okay, that's okay.
There's some guy on.
See, he squeezes in. Then we bring the handlebars down.
That is a dumb guy for me to put on.
There we go. Now his helmet or his hat. There. There's your bad guy. And there's your ATV. Now we move on
to the next one.
to the next one. Number 2. Which
2.
is the bad guy. Wow, this is the diamond vehicle.
Yeah.
The diamond heist. Show all your friends that map.
Both
As you call them.
next we have to like the diamond heist everybody.
Yeah.
But Daddy don't care, he will just help me make it because he don't care. Why see something for us, Dad?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here's a guy you can build quickly while I get everything else ready.
Yeah.
You have everything? Are you missing legs?
Yeah. That is what I always make. Did I put it the right way?
I don't know. I can't see. Maybe they don't have legs, this one. There's the legs. There you go. That's a bad guy.
I guess this man can't see.
Oh, because it's backwards, yeah.
Oh,
There
yeah.
you go.
I thought it can't see. See
Okay.
on this back.
That's actually a her. So let's put her over here for now. And then we'll start building.
That guy is a bad guy. So
Okay, you're gonna start with this?
That guy is a bad guy, so that
Bad
guy
girl.
go
Yeah.
on the bad guy.
Okay, you gotta flip it over first, Cannon. Okay, and then we're gonna put this on the second very end.
And this goes like this.
Yeah, let's see. Flip it back over. Yeah, and then this red one goes here.
Now what?
Now, we do the same thing on the other end.
Oh,
So
yeah.
flip it back over. You can put your red one first if you want.
I want to put this on first. Well,
Okay.
you go
Put the red
on.
one on first and then you can go right up to it.
You put.
No, you're
one-
okay.
Okay, fine then. Or you go if you want to put.
Good job.
on.
Okay, so now we flip it back over and we're gonna get this thing here and you put it on one of the ends like that.
Why do it?
Yep,
Maybe this.
whatever end you choose. Okay, then our
I pick this and.
our hubs go on the same end. Oh, hang on, buddy. You gotta get this on. There you go.
Our hub.
Okay, now this blue one goes right here. And then we have a brown one that's gonna go right here.
Right. So. The time.
And then our steering wheel goes right here.
I probably messing this screen up.
No, you're doing great.
Or I not messing
Okay, then your
it.
blue here, this blue here, right up to the steering wheel.
Here on top, Daddy.
Yep. And then the reds go here and here.
Here and here.
Yep.
Like this.
And then when you want to put these on the front end now. And then this one.
The Bobogay video
And
code
then this
up
one at the
one.
very front.
You probably got.
Nope. Turn it. Look at this side. Stop. Stop. Look at this side. See how it is? Now you do the same on this side. Flip it. And turn it. Turn it. Nope. Turn it. Good.
Da 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 da
Okay.
da 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 da.
Brown one goes on the back, which is this end.
right the back. This brown one's so real.
And then these ones, look where they go. See this? So it comes right up to the brown and they angle in. Nope. Good.
And like this. Do I do the same thing? Like this.
No, that one's got to be turned around. Good. Then you put these black ones on the tops.
Like this.
Yep, black ones on the top of these now.
Here I love to listen to my dad.
Okay, now you got the doors. Okay, so this is the front of the car. So these have to sit in here on both sides, okay?
That
Those are your doors that swing open.
like
Yep.
this.
Okay.
It like a flying.
Not yet.
Up flying.
Okay, now these sit like this, and they go right here, Cannon. Bring it over one. They gotta hang over because you need to do, nope, right there. Yeah.
Franz, why do I need these two things on here?
You'll see
like
why.
This?
Okay, now this comes right up in here.
It's in here. Like that right there,
Just
guys.
like that.
And that is
And now this guy goes right in the middle of this.
like in the middle. Oh, I know what this. Oh, I know what this guy goes here.
Yep. Okay, now we gotta do the front end. So you have a grill, which is right here. And they're gonna go, the grill's gonna go right here.
Right on this. And then
And then you have your lights. Or your, your lights.
light.
Other way. You gotta put them the other way. You want some help to get it off?
Oh, sorry, I don't need that. I doing the same thing. Like Battle Toma, I forgot to tell my kids that. Now what?
Well, there's a bumper here now we gotta find.
Oh,
Is it already on there? Yeah, it is. So this goes on here.
ooh, look at what I'm a crazy guy. These are the wheels and this is a block for whatever.
Okay.
Now what?
Actually, you know what? I put that in the wrong spot. Oh no. Gotta take that off now.
Oh, hi.
Because the sticker's gonna come off. Okay. So there's an actual bumper right here. Okay. You can put these ones back on. This one goes up here.
Okay. What? How deep? Why did you take
Okay.
that off?
So you put your grill back on,
On this side?
and then the bumper below it.
Okay.
Daddy's always making mistakes.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, I put this the wrong way upside down. Now I
Good
put it.
catch.
I put it the wrong way. So now I want that.
Okay, put your grill on. Now we got to do the back. So the back is two
Back.
reds.
Two what?
2 reds and a grill. The grill
Oh.
goes here, and the 2 reds go here and here.
Oh.
Here and here, red. Grill right there.
Here and here what?
And then your grill right there.
And
Goes
then
right there.
grill. And then honey.
Those things go right here.
Go right here.
Yep.
Like I got a
And then these will go on each side of the black like that. No, right here. Nope. Look at the picture. See the picture? See how all the 4 holes are pointing out? Turn it. There you go.
starting to come
Careful. Here, let me help. Let me push them down.
out. Come on, I was not doing.
It's okay. You're doing good, buddy. See, we just had to push that down a little bit harder. And then this one goes here. Okay. So everything's tight. Now the reds, these 2 reds go on the top like this.
Oh, I like it. These 2 words on the top. I wish I had those 2 words on one of my police car.
Okay, now the diamonds. Find all the diamonds and put them in the box. It looks like there's 2, so you can put some diamonds in this one too, if you want.
I will like to.
Here you go.
I don't know. Some V for you and V for you too. They both are
Okay,
V.
shut them tight, and then we put them on here. Just like this. Put 'em on. Good job. Okay, now we got to make the metal.
Oh, I like
So-
metal.
You got to put the diamond cases on first. The stickers.
No, this one of those tiles and one of those. No, 2 of those. Da, da, da. Ah, da, da.
Oh, these are the sides.
How do I get these off?
Okay, these are the sides, Cannon.
Inside?
So they go like this.
Diamond, bagay ko. Bagay diamond ko. Bagay diamond. How do I?
Where is our magnet? There should be a magnet for us.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Does it go like this? Does it go like this, Daddy? Like this or up here?
Okay, so you can put this on first. Pull those off. And you can put this on first. Wait, turn it. Like this. Okay, push. Now you can put your sides on. Good job. Okay, then the windshield. Wait, hang on.
Oh no.
Put your windshield on.
Oh, that cool. That diamond in here.
Yeah.
Wait. Now
Okay, now the roof, and we got to put the Mad Dog sign on.
the mud huggy mad dog. I thought I heard a mud dog in a house. I thought I heard a mad dog in a house.
Great. Okay, your roof.
Oh! Ow! I thought I had a mother.
Put the roof on. And now do your tires. And then that diamond truck is ready to go.
Yeah, as soon as I put the tires on. Oh, this is easy peasy, active peasy. Did I find that word? Oh,
Keep going.
That's. Then I want my face. Oh, that's.
Good job. One more, and then you put them on.
Oh,
And then you got yourself your diamond truck.
yeah.
And then we build the police helicopter.
Ah, what am I doing? No, sucks. No,
Uh-oh.
don't
Let
worry.
me help. Daddy will help.
Ah. Oh, I cut.
Okay.
I will cry into Pokemon.
Nice and gentle. There you go. Okay. Show everybody your diamond truck.
And my bad guy.
Bad girl, yeah.
Look,
Okay.
Look at these two.
Now we're on the
one
heli.
The bad guy. Look at this guy, the bad guy posting.
Here's a police officer you can build.
How do I get this? That's somehow. Why do this? I don't like this one.
Here, let's see. Daddy will help.
This will not coming off.
You got her in.
I don't like
Hey,
the handle.
you taking the hair off?
Yeah, because I
Okay.
don't.
There we go.
This is crazy poopy flower that.
Okay, Cannon.
Ooh, a guy. Stop my head.
Helicopter.
Hey, what did my head go? Oh, here we are. Let me pick it up. And this is my head. Oh, this is my head.
Got him on? Okay.
Police Wiki.
Here's his helmet. Because he's a helicopter pilot. So he's got to wear his helmet.
Yeah, I know that.
Here you go.
I know he is a helicopter pilot. But not crazy, please.
Okay. Here we go. Helmet on.
I need to do something with.
Here, we're going to let Daddy do that and you focus on your next object there.
What is it?
Okay, so yeah, that's exactly, nope, how you had it. Just like how you had it. Move it up. Nope. Centered. It's got, nope. Cannon. Focus. In here. Good. Okay, next one, the wings.
Windy.
Okay, now these go like this. And then the other one goes the other way. Good. Good.
Wings.
Now this one goes under the front right here.
Under.
Okay, now you need a green and a red. Here's your green. Here's your red. And they go at each of the tail wings. One here and one here.
Wow.
Green goes on that side, red on this side. Perfect, Cannon. Okay, now I gotta put a sticker on. Number 3.
What is my daddy doing? What's my daddy doing? My daddy putting on pickles. What my butt so fuck doing? And my muscle truck taking a nap. My muscle truck is taking a nap. Look at the muscle truck taking a nap.
Okay. There's your stickers. Now look.
These two guys and the police go right
Okay, Cannon,
over.
this is gonna go right in here, it looks like. So this lines up right here. Make sure we're in the center. Hang on. Okay.
Dog bike police guys.
Are you still building?
Oh.
Okay. This one here goes here.
No.
And now
Not walkie guys go on that.
we're okay. We're building right now.
That
That one comes this way.
comes this way.
Yep.
Okay. This looks like a wolf.
Okay, put it down. Okay. So now one goes here and one goes here. Leave these two out. So here, over, 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 right in there. And now the other one goes beside it. Good job. Let me see if
I
it push.
never made a big police
You haven't. And then
helicopter.
right goes right here.
This is a big police helicopter before. This is a big police helicopter, and I never made a big police helicopter. They I already say that one only sucks. Oh yeah. I'm not good at putting on dollars on big police helicopters.
Okay.
Oh, sucks.
Good job. Okay, now your blues. One blue goes here and one blue goes here.
Blue here. One blue go down.
And now these go like right here. Good job.
Dos. Yes. Pizza.
Okay. This one now goes right in front of the red.
Never seen a big police helicopter have this.
Okay, you're gonna have to use two hands. Two hands, please. Good job. Okay, now we are on these ones here. And they go right in front of the black. Pointing this way. Yeah, good. And now that one goes right in front of it. Now these black ones.
Look at everybody. Look at look.
These aim backwards. Okay, so this one's gonna go like this, and then the other one will go like that, okay?
This one going like this.
Good,
this.
yeah.
Look. Like that.
No, the other way.
Oh yeah, I know.
I know that's a tight one in there. I'll get it for you. Okay. Now, this here goes up here.
Up here? Okay, fine.
Yep.
Blah.
And now our blue blocks, we put two of these together. And then they're gonna go on top of our blue and yellow right here.
Mommy!
You're okay.
Come on, Mommy, I need you. Hi everybody, look what I did. I doing right.
You are. Right here is one of them.
Look what I did means I great.
Now we're putting the windows and doors on, right, Cannon?
The windows and doors on.
Okay. Put that side on.
Oh, man. Even I probably don't like putting on
Okay, so now-
windows.
This one's gonna go here, and that one will go in front of it. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Need some help?
Cat. Oh, thanks very much,
You're
Daddy.
welcome.
Thanks for trying to help
Another
me.
single.
Thanks,
And now you do the same on this side.
thanks very much for helping me, Daddy. Oh, I'm crazy.
Get it in there? Yeah, good job. Okay, now the back of the plane goes on. And it goes right like this.
Like
Good job.
this.
Yep. And then this gray one is gonna go on top. Like this. Make sure it's level. Good.
It sounds like it's flying.
Okay, now these little white guys are gonna go here and here. And they're gonna point like this.
Like this. Like this.
Now we need more stickers.
Holy stuff.
Okay. Let's see where this is going. Okay, we gotta put the windshield in. I got it.
Why is he?
It's hard with little fingers to get that one in. See now? Oh, we need another sticker cannon. Number 9.
What? Pauzy! Did I say that word? Did I say what? Pauzy! Did I say that word again? Holy sucks.
Okay, now it can go on the top. Just like that.
The morning out of dolphins studies Zogas. Did I say Zogas?
Okay, flip it over, cannon.
Flipper.
And I think we gotta put the wheels on now. So these are gonna go like this. And then like that, okay? Right in the corner. Right in the corner of the black. Good. And then this one goes on the blue and it points the other way. It points that way. Good job.
Now both on our wheels.
That's good. Okay, we gotta put the wheels together. These are just these guys. 1, 2, 3. Those are the landing ones. Okay, the little roof now. Here's the roof cannon. So this goes just hang on, buddy. We gotta put another one of these on. Where is our gray? Did you see this?
Poopy poop.
That's what we're missing.
What?
What happened with this one? Okay, this is gonna go here, Ken. Now you can put your roof on.
And what?
Yep.
And what that?
Now we're gonna go with this guy here. And
I was going crazy wild.
and our blue.
I was going take one.
So our blue goes here.
Going
And then this one goes around it. Push it on. And now this one goes like this around it.
like this around it.
And then we put this right here. Nope, right in the middle. Good. Perfect.
Perfect. That is so.
Yeah,
That
that's okay.
look like a helicopter. Now it's only missing one wheel.
Right.
Yeah. It calls out you.
Yeah, we just have to really push these ones down, it looks like. So sometimes we push too hard.
Yeah. Sometimes I push too hard. Like I work myself. Not too slow.
Okay.
Look, Daddy busted it. Broke off one wheel.
Okay, these ones go here.
Daddy broke off course. Now I got my it up. I think I got my it up. No. Why do we need the dolphins? I know helicopters don't need dolphins.
Yeah, that's where our blades are gonna go. Okay, these guys, they point backwards, Cannon.
Backwards.
So they're gonna go on this end and that end.
And this side.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put our blues on the very end, one here and one here.
And here.
Yeah. Now these are gonna go on just like your wheels on your vehicle that you do. They're just gonna pop in like this. One of on each.
You move our feet, you move our feet.
Okay, now we gotta do the back end. So you put this one here. This is away for now. Put this down. This right on the very end.
Daddy, crazy, Dada.
And then this one goes right in front of it. Look, can I see? Just wait. Patience.
Crazy too.
Straight edge goes this way. Yeah. But wait, you gotta put it so it's level. Good. Now blue and blue.
Goes where?
Yep, right there.
Like this. Like this. Daddy, see? Like this, Daddy, see? Then I go like this. Then I go like that, Daddy. Here you go.
Yep, exactly like that. And then we put this right on here. Wait. On the black and the blue. Right here.
Black and the blue only.
Yep.
That. Yes, I only that.
Okay, and then this white
Goes
right up
Yeah.
against this.
well, okay, that. So yeah. How do they do?
There you go. Okay, now these big guys. These big guys go like this.
You forgot about these two.
They're not on yet. Oh, you haven't put them on your helicopter, bud.
Yeah, I told you that.
Okay, now this orange one goes right here, Cannon. Orange. Orange goes right here.
Down below.
No. Right here.
Right here. On the very end.
Very end, yep. Okay, now we're gonna put them all together, okay? So now this comes right up to here and we push it in. All right, look at that, coming together.
Coming together, fast. This.
Okay, do we have another? Here's the other piece. Okay, wait, not that one. That goes right in between.
Right down.
Okay, this, wait. This is on the end. So we gotta put this through here. And then that slides right into this guy here. There you go. Good. So that's there. Then we got this guy here, Tannen. Gonna do your blades now. Look. Put them like this. Hang on.
Look what I'm doing with dummies. Look. What is I doing? What like I doing that? What that noise was? That Daddy hugging game. Daddy, why this came here?
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, there's that. And then we gotta put this in the middle. Hold them all together. And then orange goes on top, Cameron. Orange goes on top right in there. Right in the middle. And then this thing on top of this. Good.
Now I need.
Push it on. Good.
Oh, I could see it inside.
Okay, Cameron, this horn. Oh.
Now I done looking. I need to go back.
Your horn goes right here.
Now, really sucks. This dummy horn. Now we must.
Yep, just hang on. I gotta add the finishing touches.
Oh my god.
There's one. Is there another chain anywhere, Cannon? Yeah, you got the other chain. Okay. What did you do?
Look.
Okay, patience.
What is police helicopter doing? I know we have a mud.
Okay, you can put one on here. And now we gotta do the other one. Just wait.
Come on, Daddy. Come on, I know you could do that.
Okay, now this one goes here. And then let's see, they hook up on the bottom somehow. Right here, yep. Good job. Now lift this up, spin it. Hook it up, buddy. Okay, now show everybody what this does. Remember? Boom, 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 boom.
Let me do it.
Boom, 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 boom. Yay!
How did this do that?
Is there a magnet? Yeah. Okay, what do you say to everybody, Cannon?
Bye. Thank you everybody for coming to my video. Make sure unsubscribe. Make sure to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.